Hey, what's going on, everybody? Santiago here. Today is January 27th, Thursday, January 27th. I'm currently on the CryptoBubbles.net website. If you guys can see, I am on the week, and everything for the past week at least has been in the red. In fact, let's go check out the daily. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm going to show you guys what Bitcoin and ETH are doing, BTC and ETH. But yeah, they took a dip and alts followed immediately after. However, I'll show you guys my bot results and why I love using the bot. But what we've seen take place, as you guys can see right here with BTC, it got as low as about $33,000 mark. And it bounced back. Okay, so it bounced back, went as high as a little under $39,000, and then now, as you guys can see, it's still above the $36,000 mark. So it's exciting to see how quickly it corrected. I actually thought it was going to take a little bit longer before it recovered, but I mean, this doesn't really mean anything. It could also, take an additional dip and go even further. But yeah. It definitely didn't, and as you guys can see, it's currently over $36,000. The same thing with ETH. It recovered a little bit following what BTC had did. Currently over $2,400, as you guys can see right here. Not big into TA, technical analysis, but history has shown that, what BTC has done, what ETH has done following BTC, and then what many crypto investors are waiting for is the alt season. Myself as well. But as you guys can see right here, I've seen this take a significant dip. I've been trying to record. I've had issues with my laptop and just having too much data on there. Things were working slowly, so I wasn't able to put a video together all week. But this went as low as roughly around 33%. Okay, so I seen it drop significantly. All of my bots were out of range, and a few of them were in the red here. And for those of you guys that don't know, the red right here is just the totality of the bot profit plus or minus the value of the cryptos that you're currently trading right here. So basically, this shows that the market dipped not only 19.95%, 20%, but you can even calculate the bot profit in there, an additional 17.62%. Okay, so when you're trading with the bot, not only does it cut your risk in half, especially if you're trading a stable coin or, in my case, USD. And as a result of that, when this market took a dip just recently, we've seen it drop significantly, and hadn't it been for the bot, I would have been looking at close to 40% negative. Okay, 40% ROI holding on to that particular crypto. So again, for those of you guys who are just watching these videos, those who have been following for a while, having a long-term strategy with the bot, to me, it's a better alternative, than hodling by just holding on to the crypto. So I'll continue to go through some of these. Let me go back up. You guys can see same pair, same 20 pairs, 4 months. The longest 4 months, 19 days, as you guys can see right here. For Academy members, these are the bare bone minimum in order to activate some of the settings in order to trail the market if it goes up or down. So you guys can see my grid levels right here. The grid step and the percentage is very broad. It's a very broad trading range. Again, this is for Academy members. It'll make sense to them. Cardano's still down, but overall, I'm extremely satisfied with the results. 4 months, 19 days, and we're looking at 50%, roughly 50% profit, total profit, with 54.62% coming out of bot profit. Okay, so these results again are extremely satisfactory. Now, with that being said, for everybody else that isn't with the Academy, go on over to www.santiagoacademy.com. Folks, it's just $100. It's less than $10 per month, less than $2 per week, as Roger mentioned. And we have an amazing platform here, folks. You know, we do these sessions, daily live sessions, Monday through Friday. Extremely powerful with the community. We have an amazing community here at Santiago Academy, a genuine community of people that have similar interests, but also collectively work together. We're getting closer and closer to launching our Santiago Academy token. That's Yuli coughing in the background. Her and Joy have been a bit ill the last couple days. But as I mentioned, we're still early with our Santiago Academy token. In fact, we do have a token. It's actually in a liquidity pool, but before we launch it to the public, we're going to launch it to our community. And before we do that, we're just going to get everything in place before we do that. So it can still take us a few months. We're looking at around the summertime of 2022. However, you guys have an amazing opportunity to get started within the Telegram group for our token and just be positioned before we launch. It's exciting, and I'll make a video about this and I'll share this with you guys, but our token is in a liquidity pool on Uniswap, and it's with ETH. So as the value of ETH goes up or went up since July 4th when we first launched or started the liquidity pool, the value of ETH has gone up, relatively high since that time, and as a result of it, the value of the crypto of our token has gone up. Okay, so that may be confusing to many, but for those of you guys that know, it's just us, leveraging not only the liquidity pool but the cryptocurrency ETH, which I do believe and have a long-term investment hodling strategy with ETH. So it just makes sense, and it's going amazing. So I'm really excited to launch that to you guys with the community. But again, for those of you guys on the sidelines just watching, today's a perfect day to get started. So go on over to the website, just $100, and I'll see you guys on the inside. God bless. Much success to you all. Bye.